Alright, so I got it all back together. Only got about 5% battery left here. Just wanted to make a quick video. Everything's back together. Yeah, I really hate putting oil pans on. I really, really do. Especially on older cars. It's like you gotta clean every single bolt. All the surfaces have to be clean. And it's hard to do it when you keep crawling under here. But the oil pan is on. I used a cork gasket that I had. It's like the rubber in the front and back and the cork gasket. I was going to use that for my Wagoneer, but when I put the pan back on, I just did all RTV and gooped it up in the front and the back. Decided to put a cork on this one. Normally I don't like these 3-piece gaskets because they sometimes leak, but let's get this thing running. So we got power, and it is cold. Mind you, when I turn this thing on, it always instant starts, so it's one thing I do. The carburetor fresh rebuild is really nice. Hopefully I have enough battery on this phone. And I really hate these old gauges. This oil pressure gauge on the older J10 and 20s, they're really, really, really slow. So we'll come back to that. The worst part about doing a job like this are leaks. Let me go grab my flashlight. Engine sounds great though. The rattle that you hear is that heat shield that I installed on the manifold a while back. So let's check for leaks. I reused the cork gaskets for the valve covers. I don't see any leaks, but you can hear the engine. It's so quiet. It's hard to believe that I have a bad cam bearing. There's no vibration. Let's check out underneath. Hope it's not leaking right here. That's further up top, I guess. Might be the front seal. But listen to how quiet the engine is. See, if you didn't take the oil pan off and the oil wasn't dirty like it was, you would never know that it had a bad cam bearing. But the oil pressure is starting to go down a little bit now that it's warming up. I'll come back when it's fully warmed up to show you guys what the oil pressure is. Alright, so I only got a 1% battery left, but it's been running for about 30 minutes now. So it is warmed up. The oil pressure right now is 20. So that's pretty good. At 1,000 RPM. Let's check it in gear. Gear is about 700-ish RPM. Oil pressure. It's about 15 right now. Almost 10. It's about 10 right now. So we'll just say between 10 and 15. Put it back in park. It jumps back up to 20. So it hasn't really changed. Maybe a little bit higher. It used to be like 8 to 10. Now I guess it's like 10 to 15. 20 at idle and park, though, is a lot higher than it used to be. So I'm sure cleaning up that pickup screen on the pickup and putting thicker oil in here helped a lot. But phone's probably going to die on me, so